Okay, now I finished my church. I went to visit the other people in here in there. So I go to visit the some people here. I don't get other people. I go to my house to see the next day. You see was sleeping here.